In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to terminate an employee in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to check, and how to record the termination date so your payroll and records stay accurate. Start by opening your Xero account and landing on the main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one. You'll need the right payroll permissions to complete this task. So if something looks locked, check with your Xero administrator before proceeding. From the dashboard, head to the payroll area. This is where all payroll-related settings and employee records live. Going through payroll ensures the termination is captured correctly for pay runs and reporting, rather than just archiving a contact elsewhere in Xero. Next, open the Employees section. Here you'll see your list of employees. Use the search or filters if you have a long list, and take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct person. It can help to double-check identifying details such as their role or start date to avoid making changes to the wrong profile. Once you're in the right employee's profile, locate the Employment section on your screen. This is the area that stores their key employment details like start date and status, and it's where you'll record the termination. If the layout looks slightly different from what you expect, don't worry. Xero's interface can vary by region and updates, but the Employment section is the place you need. Within the Employment section, choose Terminate Employment. Xero will prompt you to enter the termination date. Enter the exact last day of employment, not the date you're entering the change. This date matters because it determines how the employee appears in upcoming pay runs and ensures leave balances and reporting align with the final working day. If you're unsure about the date, check your internal records or the employee's notice period before you proceed. After entering the date, review the details you see on screen. A quick scan now can prevent payroll corrections later. When you're confident everything is correct, save your changes. Saving applies the termination to the employee's record, and you should see their status reflect the change accordingly. That's it. You've recorded an employee termination in Xero by navigating to Payroll, opening Employees, selecting the right profile, finding the Employment section, and using Terminate Employment to set and save the final date. Keep a note of the date you used and any supporting documentation your organization requires, so your records stay complete and consistent.